AI shorts clipping companies are making money hand over fist, recurring money every single month for their subscribers with just a basic service. So all of these companies are making tons and tons of money, and now you have the opportunity to be able to create your own SaaS company for AI shorts, reel clipping, and you only have to pay a one-time fee. What if I told you that with an exclusive discount for $364, you could have 100 AI clipping accounts that you could sell to other people for every single month to get a recurring income coming in for yourself? $364 to be able to have lifetime income for something that people need when they are making long form content, and they need to chop it up into smaller pieces so that they can go ahead and get the increased reach that shorts and reels get for content, to be able to get them to be on other social media platforms and get more traction, more sales, and more leads. So you have the ability to be that company. And the thing that I love about this is, for this one-time investment, you get the $50 discount to get it at $364. You can white label it, so you can call this software anything that you want. You can host it yourself, and you have the ability to automatically create your accounts. You put in their email address and you select whether you want them to have a basic or a pro account. And I'm going to go ahead and dive in and show you exactly what this looks like right now. But think about it like this: being able to start your own SaaS AI clipping business for a one-time payment and be able to keep all the monthly fees you charge your new clients forever, 100% in your pocket. If you decide to pick up RocketClips through my link down below, which is an affiliate link, if you decide to get the bundle offer, which gives you everything that RocketClips has to offer, as well as the white label and 100 accounts for pro, you will be able to get my Tube Growth YouTube Research Ranking course. This is my course that goes for $199 every single day. You'll be able to get all of the steps that I do to be able to rank on-site and off-site with my YouTube videos and everything that I post. And part of this strategy is being able to have your shorts content to back up your long form content as well. So if you pick up the bundle through me, you will not only get the YouTube offsite ranking checklist that I use on every single video or blog post that I post, but you'll also get access to my YouTube ranking course as well. It's chock full of great insights and what I have amassed over the years on how to be able to rank YouTube videos every single time that I post content. And once you purchase, that will be automatically delivered to you in your JVZoo account where your purchases are held. You'll have a little button where you can access that bonus if you bought the bundle. Now here is the dashboard inside of RocketClips AI. Now this is the Pro White Label Bundle Edition. So you can either get the bundle, which has 25 accounts, or you can do the quick upgrade for $117 more to get 75 additional accounts. And like I said, you have the ability to white label this or to just go ahead and use the platform and sell the monthly units. So if you come over here, you will see that we have the white label option, and we also have the option to go ahead and add our team. So if we go here to the white label, you can go ahead and set up your own custom domain for this. So what you do is, whenever you buy a domain name, you will go ahead and put the name of the brand. You put your domain name, what it is. You'll put the support URL and then the demo video URL. So you can go ahead and create a demo video yourself. You put your favicon, which is the small thing at the top right here. You see the little symbol here. You go ahead and put your little favicon in there, as well as the logo that you want to use. So you see right here, this is their logo. And if you put all this in here and you save it and you just direct it at this website right here, you now have your white label domain where you are able to go ahead and send all of your potential buyers to that website to go ahead and sign up. Now, you can go ahead and create your users here. You have your email, so you can set up a custom SMTP. Now, you see here, I don't have it set up, so it's got the 404. But we can also go here, and we can set up our users. And all you do, you see, I went ahead and set up an account here. You can go ahead and edit it. You can change the password. You can set it as a pro plan user, or you can set it as a regular user. So right here we have the regular user. Just like that, you make them a pro. You can add the user and you just put their name, their email address, and the password that you want, and they are now a paying client. If they stop paying, then you just go ahead and turn off their account access. So you can have them as a regular user. If they start paying you monthly, you can make them a pro user, and that gives you the ability to be able to make your recurring income every single month. And you have the ability to go ahead and create 100 additional accounts on top of the account that you have. So basically you get 101 accounts. You have your own account plus 100 additional ones to be able to sell for that one-time fee. And you saw all the fees that these clipping services are using. Now, let me let you know something. The only things that this does not have that other services do is it doesn't currently do the automated emojis. And they're thinking about seeing if they can go ahead and update that and get AI emojis, but they do not have AI emojis. And they do not have auto posting to other platforms. So once you create your clip, you're able to just download it and then upload it to any other platform that you want. So whether you're putting it on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, or on YouTube, you download it, upload it to any platform you want, and you are ready to go. Now, inside the dashboard, it is super simple and easy to use. If you want to create clips, you go here and create clips, and I'm going to do a demo of that in a second so that you can go ahead and see that. And you'll see how many campaigns that you've done. So right here, 3 campaigns. This is for your user account, 3 campaigns. You'll see how many clips have been created with those campaigns. You'll see if you used any media assets, any AI images created, and then your sub-users. So this is your additional account. So if you get the bundle or the bundle with the 100 accounts as well, that's called the mega bundle, then you will see every single user you sign up. So you sign up 25, it's going to have 25 users here. And as you saw inside the dashboard, you'll be able to see each user, whether they are a normal user, commercial, or if they are a pro user. And to be able to take away access, you can just toggle in between those two. So if they stop paying you every month, you can make them a free commercial user, or you could delete them all together. But that's how quick and easy it is to be able to go ahead and set up a SaaS business where people pay you every single month, where you're offering a service, and you could offer a service for $4 a month, $5 a month, $10 a month. You know, you times that by 100. That is a nice little paycheck in your pocket. And you can also add that into some sort of bundle that you're offering or some sort of service that you're offering clients. So that is a really great investment price for a one-time fee to be able to start your own SaaS AI clipping business. Now, this gives you the ability to be able to have lifetime access to instant clipping of your long form videos so that you can post them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, where you can make your shorts and reels with just uploading a video or importing a video from multiple different platforms. Let's go ahead and jump in. Now, the good thing about this is it will auto reframe for you, but you also have the ability to go ahead and reframe any way you like as well. So I'll go ahead and jump into that in the back end, and you can go ahead and change exactly how you want in 32 different languages. It'll go ahead and pull it out. You have the ability to go ahead and put some B-roll in there if you want as well. And it has the progress bar. I really like the progress bar. You can change the color, you can change the width, the position, the top, the bottom, or going all the way around the video, which is pretty interesting. The more things that you have to be able to keep people's attention on the video, the better, because you're going to get longer watch time, you're going to get longer retention, which is going to help you with your rankings. So I really enjoy this, the simplicity of it. It shows you that you're able to do multiple different styles. You can do the vertical, which is going to be for the shorts. You can do the normal horizontal videos and still have your captions on the bottom. And you can also do square videos, which a lot of platforms also enjoy square videos as well. So you can have your captions and you can have your audiograms and all that kind of stuff also. And so you'll see here that it's got the AI video context. It's got the AI generated clips. It's got the AI single face, dual face, and letterbox layouts. Letterbox is the whole entire video right in the center. It's got the virality score. It has magic zoom for you, and it has B-rolls. Now, if you want to add team members, you can go ahead and add team members to access your account. But also, we can go ahead and add sub-users as well. So if you have the bundle account, you can either create 25 additional accounts or 100 accounts, depending on which offer you chose. But let's go ahead and create a clip really quick. And like I said, currently they're trying to work with the YouTube update that just came out that is messing with the quality of the videos. So you can use YouTube videos right now or Vimeo videos, but you're going to get better results at the moment if you go ahead and grab your raw video clip that you just uploaded to YouTube or any other platform. So we're going to go ahead and put our newest clip here. So we did a review video, so we're going to go ahead and drop that in. And you'll see that it has your clip. You can go ahead and do auto selecting of the languages. So I'm in the United States, English. And then we have our title. And then we can go ahead and select the captions that we like. So you can come through here and you can actually see visually what those captions are going to look like. Now, if you have the Pro upgrade or the bundle upgrade, then you're going to go ahead and get anything that says Pro on it as well. So you'll be able to go ahead and have additional options if you have the Pro or the bundle. All right, so for right now, I'm going to go ahead and select these right here. And now, if you wanted to actually just put the captions on the video itself without making any clips, you could say only add captions without clipping, and we could go ahead and add captions to the video itself. Also, when you do the upgrade, you also have the ability to remove filler words and take out parts that are silences if you don't want to have a lot of silences in your video, if you take pauses and stuff like that. You can also select different parts if you only want to clip a video, but you don't want to include like the last 15-20 seconds because that's your outro, stuff like that. You can actually limit it to when you want to go ahead and take out your selection. Now, if you want to just do the whole video and pull from the whole video to do your AI clips, you can do that. And that's all you have to do. And then all you do is click Get Clips in one click. Now, with this, it'll take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how long your video is. Now, if you have the Pro upgrade or the bundle, you're actually going to be on a faster server and your videos are actually going to be rendered out faster. If you just take the front end, then it's going to take a little bit less. Now, like I said, it's always going to say 20 minutes, but depending on how long it is, it could be anywhere from 10, 15 to 20 minutes to be able to go ahead and do it. You see here, it's actually moving quite quickly, and it's going to upload the video, transcribe it, summarize it. It's going to detect the scenes, and then it's going to go ahead and track your faces and cut up your images. So once this is done, we'll go ahead and come back and I'll show you what we have. Surprisingly, that only took 1 or 2 minutes, but what I like to do is whenever I am creating my clips, no matter what platform it's on, I always like to walk away and do the other things that I need to be able to create my rankings. So if I'm creating my clips, I'm out either creating a thumbnail for my main video or doing some backlinks for my content or getting my blog post ready. So I never waste that time while I'm waiting. I'll just go ahead and set this off on another tab and I'll go ahead and do what else I need to be able to rank my content so that I can go ahead and get my views, my likes, my leads, and of course my conversions or my sales. So let's go ahead and dive in. So right here, you'll see that it does create a title for you based on the content. And so what I will usually do is I will do a variation of this. I'll have this as the beginning of my title, and then whatever I am reviewing or anything like that, I'll have that as the end of the title so that I can try to rank for my main keyword as well as having the attention grabber title in the beginning. Also, it's going to go ahead and tell you what it emphasizes on, what the score is based on 100 for the possibility of virality. And then it has the information of what is said inside of the clip. Now, you'll see that these are resolution previews. So when you play them, they're going to be a little bit blurry because they do not have the high resolution until you render out and export them after doing any kind of editing or like that. So now you can actually take this clip as it is. And so you'll see that this one here is split in the total. This one here has the letterbox where it's in the center and then the image is blurred out in the background. You'll see that this one here is split as well. You'll have the ability to go ahead and do that. So I took my video, it gave me 5 clips for my video, and then we can go in and see if we like it, and if we do, we can go ahead and edit. Let's go ahead and play really quick. Now you see here how it went ahead and changed the version of how it actually shows it. It cuts it off with the speaker in the center. And so this is called the solo. And so you can go ahead and take this, and you see here how the captions or the subtitles are down here. You actually have the ability to move them exactly where you want them in the editing process if you don't like it like this. So what we can do, we can go ahead and look at it full screen if we want, or we can go edit. Now, if we want to export it, say we love this and we love how it is, we could just go ahead and export it right away so that we can put it on our social media accounts. But right here, we can go edit, and we can go ahead and quickly edit it to change what we want. Now, we have several options here on the left. We've got our captions, where we're able to go ahead and change what is said. We can go ahead and add sections of the video if we want. We have our orientation, which shows us what type of video we're creating. Of course, since we're doing shorts, we want to do portrait, but you can also do landscape and square. You have your design. Now, this is where you can actually change your caption subtitles. You can turn them off or turn them on. You can change the font. You can go ahead and select the case, how you want them aligned. You can also do the spacing, the height, the width, the lines. And this is where I was talking about the Y position. So if we come here and we see where the captions are, we can actually take the Y position and we can put them wherever we want. So we can make sure that we like where the captions are going to be so that they draw attention and people are able to read them and they're not covering up faces and stuff like that. So we can come through here and we'll see our captions are there. And if we want to move our captions, we can just go ahead and move them up and we can say where we like them. Also, you have the opportunity to do a progress bar. I really like this because you see here on the top, we have the progress bar. And with the progress bar, you can put it on the top, you can put it on the bottom, or you can make it go all the way around. And you can also change the color of the progress bar so it keeps people's attention as it's moving around. And so we can go ahead and do that with the progress bar you see here. And so it's going to keep people's attention on the video so they don't swipe away. Also, we have the audio wave, which I really like this feature. Now with the audio wave, you have different options here. And if you have, of course, the pro options, you can go ahead and select those. And so you can have your wave lines on the bottom. You can have lots and lots of wave lines. You can go ahead and choose how big the frequency is for it. You can also do bar gaps, total bar gap, if it does the whole thing or only half of the video, how high it's going to go up. We can center it, end it. We can put it in the top, the middle, or the bottom. You see here, top, middle, or bottom. And you can also have how round they are so that when it's playing, you can go ahead and change it exactly how you want it. You can change the color. You can change all of that. So it's very easy to select exactly what you want in your video. Also, you have the option to go ahead and do B-roll. If you generate B-roll stocks, it will go ahead and generate pieces of B-roll through here, and then you can go ahead and change it. So let's go ahead and do generate B-roll right now. And each of these only takes a couple of seconds to be able to do. So what you can do is you can come over here, find out what it's saying. So this one here is talking about stories. So if we didn't like this one, we could go ahead and go replace. And we could say maybe like reading or maybe book or something like that. So let's go ahead and see what we can find. All right. So we have 200 stories. This person's reading a book. Let's see what it's saying over here. Okay. This one's not bad. He's happy about the $14.95 a month. We're done there. And then you can also add music if you want. You can go ahead and enable music. They've got quite a bit of music to go ahead and add there. You can also drag and drop MP3 files in there to go ahead and have some music as well, which is pretty nice. Once we are done and we like the way that it looks, then we can export it. Now on the captions, say if we wanted to add some more or take some of this away, you can click this expand box. and you'll go ahead and see what has been selected. And if you decide you want to add anything else to this inside your video, all you have to do is you just select what you want added to the video. You click apply changes and it will automatically be added to the end of the video. So we can go ahead and look at it here. Quickly and easily, you can go ahead and add, you can take away from your video, anything like that. Once you're done, then all you do is you click export, and this is going to go ahead and export your video, and it will download for you. And we can go ahead and go back to clips, and we will get an email. Once this is done, we download it, and we're able to upload it to our social platforms. That's funny because it only took about 1 to 2 minutes to go ahead and get this email. So let's go ahead and download our video. It's going to go ahead and come up here. We can open it up and we can see what we have. Stories plus the things that I've shown. One, or upsell offer one, comes with 500 more stories plus visual assets to go ahead and promote those. It's $14.95 per month. It comes with new seasonal content every month with holiday themed stories, activities, quizzes, and images. 2,000 printable worksheets. This has color by numbers. So quick, easy to use, and it has really good quality. And the great thing is the bundle pricing. You'll be able to get this for a lifetime, no more fees. And if you get the bundle pricing, you can also build in an extra revenue stream for monthly recurring access, or to be able to quickly get your money back by being able to go ahead and sell lifetime accounts.